So you find your Discord background so dull and want to look a little cooler. For today's tutorial, I'll be teaching you on how to change background on Discord for free. Since Discord has limited theme, unless you avail the Nitro subscription, now go to web browser and search for betterdiscord.app. Once you navigate the website, click the download. After you download the app, install and check the license agreement and click Next. Select Install Better Discord and tap Next. Choose a folder and select Folder and then Install. Now, we redirected into Discord application. Click User Settings and find the Better Discord option. Select Themes and browse a theme you want. So I have here, let's say this one, and select or click Download. Now, click the X. Now, let's navigate the Better Discord option again. Scroll down and select Theme. Now, you can see here the theme you downloaded and just turn it on. Now, there you go. If you like this video, please consider liking, sharing, and subscribing for more updates.